Now slope, you know, slope is denoted by m, that is tan theta, and tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. The slope of the line depend on angle and also it depend on ratio of opposite side and adjacent side. Now equations of straight line: y is equal to mx, y is equal to mx plus c, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, and intercept form, this is called intercept form. X intercept is a and y intercept is b. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. You will have only two forms of equations of straight line in two variables. The equations of straight line which is passing through origin and which is not passing through origin, which is passing through y-intercept, that is 0c or 0a, anything. You will have only two forms of equations of straight line. One is equal to y is equal to mx and this is y is equal to mx plus c. Only two forms of equations of straight line with the two variables x and y, which is passing through origin, which is not passing through origin, which is passing through y-intercept. Y is equal to mx passing through origin 0 0. You will have only two forms of straight lines, that is y is equal to mx and y is equal to mx plus c. Now we have to find the equation of the straight line having slope m and passing through the point p xy is y is equal to mx. Now this is x-axis and this is y-axis. We have to find the equation of a straight line which is passing through a point p xy and having slope of this line is m. We have to find the equation of a straight line which is passing through origin, having slope m and passing through the point pxy. This line is passing through the point pxy, means this perpendicular distance, this is y and this distance is x. Now the line is making an angle theta with positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. You know what is tan theta, what is slope? M is equal to tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. M is equal to, we have to find the equation of a straight line which is in the form of y is equal to mx. M is equal to, what is opposite side here? Opposite to theta is opposite side, that is y. What is adjacent side? That is x. It can be written as y is equal to mx. Yes, we got a straight line which is passing through origin and passing through the point xy which is having slope m, that is y is equal to mx. Now we have to find the equation of a straight line which is passing through point pxy and having slope m and y-intercept is c. What is the meaning of y-intercept? It is passing through, y-intercept means it is passing through 0 c. This is y-intercept. This distance is y-intercept, that is denoted by c. X-axis and this is y-axis. Light passing through y-intercept. Y-intercept means it is passing through 0 c. Y-intercept means this distance is c. Let this point be a. This line is passing through point pxy. You take a point pxy here. Now you have to draw a right angle triangle. This is 90 degrees. This is hypotenuse and this is angle made by this line with positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction is theta. Now you take slope m is equal to tan theta opposite side by adjacent side. M is equal to, what is opposite side here? This distance is, this perpendicular distance is y, and this perpendicular distance we have to take from here, that is c. This distance will be y minus c. Opposite side will be y minus c by, what is adjacent side? We have to take from here, that is x. Adjacent side is x, but perpendicular distance is, this distance is y, and this distance we have to take from here, that is c. This distance will be y minus c. Opposite side is y minus c. Adjacent side will be x. M into x, mx is equal to y minus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. Mx plus c is equal to y. Therefore, equation of a straight line with slope m and passing through pxy, point pxy, and having y-intercept is y is equal to mx plus c. Now, next y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Only you have two forms of line, that is passing through origin, y is equal to mx, and which is not passing through origin, which is passing through y-intercept, that is y is equal to mx plus c. They are in the form of, lines are in the form of y is equal to mx and y is equal to mx plus c with two variables, x and y. Next, we will go to y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is also, this is nothing but y. Y is equal to mx. Like that, you will have only two forms of lines, that is y is equal to mx and y is equal to mx plus c. Now we have to find the equation of a straight line with slope m and passing through the point x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is y is equal to mx. It is in the form of y is equal to mx. Now, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This line is passing through x1 y1. You take x1 y1 here. This is x1 y1, and we have to take a point p xy. So point p xy on this line, and you have to draw a right angle triangle, and we have to find the equation of this straight line, which is in the form of y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now, this is a right angle triangle. This is the angle made by the line with positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction is theta, and opposite to theta is opposite side. Adjacent side to theta is adjacent side. This is hypotenuse. Now you know slope m is equal to tan theta opposite side over adjacent side. Now you take m is equal to, what is opposite side here? This perpendicular distance. This distance is y1, and this distance we have to take from here, y. This distance is y. So that this distance will be y1 minus y. y1 minus y by, we have to find adjacent side. Opposite side is y1 minus y. Now, what is adjacent side? Adjacent side we have to find. This distance is x1, we have to take from here, and this distance is x, and this distance will be x1 minus x. Now, what is adjacent side? x1 minus x is equal to, implies, this can be written as m is equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. Now, you will get y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now this problem can be done like this. You take x1 y1 here and xy here, so that opposite side will be y minus y1 by adjacent side will be x minus x1. You can take any way. For slope we have two forms. What is slope? Tan theta is equal to slope m is equal to, you will have y by x, one formula, opposite side by adjacent side. What is another formula you have? M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. How? You have two formulas, opposite side by adjacent side, which is passing through like this origin. This is point P xy, and this is y and this is x and this is theta. The slope is m is equal to opposite side by y, opposite side by adjacent side, y by x. You have another formula. How? You take this one. Slope of this line, which is passing through point P x1 y1 and x2 y2. You take x1 y1 and x2 y2. The slope of this line will be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And you form a right angle triangle. You draw a right angle triangle, and the theta is the angle made by this line with positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. That is theta. And this, you have m is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. This perpendicular distance will be y2 and this distance will be y1 and this distance will be y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. Opposite side is y2 minus y1 by, we have to find adjacent side. This distance we have to take from here x2 minus x1. This will be x2 minus x1. Adjacent side will be x2 minus x1. You have two formulas for slope. M is equal to y by x, opposite side by adjacent side. Another formula, if 2 points are given, the slope of the line is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. Like that, you can write this formula like this. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This can be written as y minus y1 is equal to m means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This formula can be written as y minus y1 into x2 minus cross multiplication x2 minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 into x minus x1. Like that, you have two forms. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. M can be written as y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And this formula can be written as y minus y2 into x2 minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 into x minus x1. Like that also you can write. Next you have equation of a straight line with x-intercept a and y-intercept b is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now equation of a straight line with x-intercept a, y-intercept b is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X-intercept is a and y-intercept is b. This is called intercept form. Intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. X-intercept is a, y-intercept is b. Having x-intercept a means this distance is a. X-intercept, this is x-intercept. This point will be A0. Y-intercept means this distance is B. Therefore, this point will be 0, B. We have to find the equation of this straight line which is having x-intercept A and y-intercept is B. That is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. I have told you, you will have only two forms of line. Y is equal to mx which passes through origin, y is equal to mx plus c which is passing through 0c, means y-intercept, which is not passing through origin. This is not passing through origin. I will take y is equal to mx plus c. Now y is equal to m. We have to find the slope of this line. What is the formula I have? If 2 points are given, what is the formula I have? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Take this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. See, slope m is equal to y2. y2 means 0 minus y1 will be b by x2 means a minus x1 means you have to take from here 0 and you will have m is equal to minus b by a. What is the slope of this line? Minus b by a. It will have 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. When 2 points are given, what is the slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now substitute the value of m, that is slope, is equal to minus b by a in this line. What is m here? Minus b by a into x plus c. C means y-intercept. Remember, here you will have y-intercept is b. You have to take b here. Y is equal to minus bx by a plus b. Y is equal to, you take LCM, a minus bx plus a into b, ab. You multiply this with this. Ay plus minus bx comes this side and it will become bx is equal to ab. Now we have ay plus bx is equal to ab. Intercept form is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. What we have to do? We have to divide the equation by ab, and ab. Cancel a and a, b and b, ab and ab. You will have y by b plus x by a is equal to 1. It can be written as x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. One example I will give. Find the equation of a straight line with x-intercept 3 and y-intercept 4. We have to find. You write the equation of a straight line. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Implies x by a. What is x-intercept? 3. Plus what is y-intercept? That is 4 is equal to 1. You take this equation. You take LCM 12. 4x plus 3y is equal to 1. This can be written as 4x plus 3y is equal to 12 into 1, 12. And if you want same answer, you divide it by 12. X by 4x by 12 means x by 3 you will get. 3y by 12 you will get y by 4 and 12 by 12 you will get 1. Now find the slopes of the following using 2 points form, that is tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 2 points form and tan theta is equal to difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. You should remember this formula. This is very important. Using this formula we have to solve these questions. Now what is the question? Slope of x-axis. What is the slope of x-axis? Here angle is 0. That's why opposite side is 0. Therefore, the slope of x-axis is 0. But we have to find the slope using y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You take these 2 points. This is 2, 0 and this is 3, 0. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. You take x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is tan theta is nothing but slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 means 0 minus 0 by 3 minus 2 x2 minus x1. 0 by 1 you will get 0. What is the slope of x-axis? 0. Now slope of y-axis. You take these 2 points. This is 0, 1 and this is 0, 2. We have to find the slope of y-axis. What is the slope of y-axis? Difference of y coordinates. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. 2 minus 1 by 0 minus 0. 1 by 0. It cannot be defined, undefined. Slope of y-axis is undefined. Next, slope of the line parallel to x-axis. What is the slope of the line which is parallel to x-axis? That is L1. We have to find the slope of this line. The slope of x-axis is 0 and slope of L1 also 0. Let us find out. You see, this is 2, 2, 2 and this is 0, 2. You find the slope. M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to x1 y1 x2 y2. 2 minus 2 by x2 minus x1. 2 minus 0. 2 minus 2 0. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Slope of x-axis is 0 and the slope of the line parallel to x-axis also 0. Now slope of the line parallel to y-axis. M is equal to tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. See, you take a point here on y-axis. This is 3, 0 and this is 3, 2. You take this is a point 3, 2. y2 minus y1. 2 minus 0 by 3 minus 3. 2 by 0. It is undefined. Slope of the line parallel to y-axis is undefined. Next, second problem. 2a. The two lines are given L1 and L2. Find the slopes of L1 and L2. What do you observe? Now let us find out the slopes of L1. Slope of L1. Let us find out. You take a point. This is 0, 0. And you take this point. This will be 2 and 2. 2, 2. Now what is the slope of the line? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. See, this is x1 y1 and x2 y2. y2 minus y1 means 2 minus 0 by x2 minus x1. 2 minus 0. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Now we have to find the slope of L2. This is point 2, 0. This is the point will be 0 minus 2. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. y2 minus y1 means 0 minus of minus 2 over 2 minus 0. Minus into minus plus 2 by 2. 1. See, slope of this line. Slope of L1 is 1. This is, you take M1. Slope of L2, you take this M2. Slope of L1 and slope of L2 are equal to each other. Like that. M1 is equal to M2. Slopes are equal to each other. What do you observe? If slopes are equal, then they are parallel lines. Remember, slopes are equal, then they are parallel lines. If lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Now 2b. Find the slopes of L3 and L4. L3. We have to find these slopes. You take this is 0, 1 and this will be 2, 0. Now find the slope of L3. 0, 1, 2, 0. What is the slope? Difference of y coordinates means 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 0 minus 1 by 2. Slope of L3 is minus 1 by 2. Let us find the slope of L4. Now we have to find the slope of L4. What are the points on the line? Minus 1, 0 and 0, 2. M2 is equal to y2 minus y1. x1, y1, x2, y2. 2 minus 0 by 2 minus 0 by 0 minus of minus 1. 0 minus of minus 1. 2 by minus 2 minus plus 1. You are getting 2. Now m1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. The slope of L3 is minus 1 by 2 and the slope of L4 will be 2. M1 you observe M1 and M2. They are, if you multiply M1 and M2, you multiply M1 with M2. M1 into M2. M1 is minus 1 by 2 into M2 is 2. You observe M1 is minus 1 by 2 and M2 is 2. You multiply these two, what are you going to get? Minus 1. If M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1, then they are perpendicular lines. The angle between the lines is 90 degrees. If slopes are equal, then they are parallel lines. For parallel lines, slopes will be equal. If the product of the slopes is equal to minus 1, then they are perpendicular line. The angle between these two lines will be 90 degrees. If you understand the slope, you can do coordinate geometry very easily. In higher studies also, it is very easy to solve any problem. Next, third problem. Find the equation of the straight line which is passing through origin and point 21. What is the equation of straight line which is passing through origin? That is y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx is the line which is passing through origin. N is the slope. You have a doubt. What is xy? Xy represent infinite points on the line. Now you know the point. This is x and this is y. Substitute the value of x and y in y is equal to mx. Y is 1 is equal to m into x is 2. Slope you will get 1 by 2. Now you know the equation of straight line which is passing through origin, that will be in the form of y is equal to mx. Now substitute m is equal to 1 by 2 in y is equal to mx. Y is equal to m is 1 by 2 into x. Y is equal to x by 2 or x is equal to 2. Next, fourth problem. Find the equation of the straight line having y-intercept 3 and passing through the point minus 2, 1. We have to find the equation of a straight line having y-intercept. The equation will be in the form of y is equal to mx plus c because it is passing through y-intercept. It is intercepting y-axis. At 3, this distance will be 3. This point will be 0, 3 and it is passing through minus 2, 1. Now what is the formula you have? Y is equal to mx plus c. Substitute m. What is the slope of this line? The slope of this line will be m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1. 3 minus 1 by 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 means 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. What is the slope of the line? M is equal to 1. Substitute. Here I substituted and you will get the value of slope is 1. Now what is the y-intercept? The y-intercept c is equal to 3. Now y is equal to m means slope you got 1 plus what is the y-intercept? 3. The distance between these 2 points. The distance between 0, 3 and origin. This is origin. Will be y-intercept 0, 3 means this perpendicular distance will be 3. Like that you have to substitute the value of m and c in y is equal to mx plus c. You will get y is equal to x plus 3. Y is in the form of, you see, always remember y is equal to x plus 5. This line passes through 0, 5. If it is in the form of y is equal to x minus 5, this line passes through 0, minus 5. It will pass through 0, minus 5. These two lines are parallel to each other. Why? The slope of this line, that is 1. Slope of this line is 1. And the slope of this line will be 1. That's why these two lines are parallel to each other. This you should remember. Now, fifth problem. Find the equation of straight line passing through the points 4, 5 and minus 1, 3. What is the equation of the straight line passing through the points, 2 points? We have many formula, but we have to take this formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. One problem can be done in many ways, but one method I will explain. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. You take this formula. First you have to find the slope of the line. The line passing through minus 1, 3 and 4, 5. You find the slope of this line. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 means 5 minus 3 by 4 minus of minus 1. You will get 2 by 5 the slope of the line. M is equal to 2 by 5. Now, what is x1, y1? You can take x1, y1 this or this you can take. Y minus y1. What is y1 here? 5 I have taken. Is equal to, what is the slope of the line here? 2 by 5. Into x minus x1. What is x1 here? I have taken x1, y1, this one. 4, 5 I have taken x1, y1. You can take this one also. But I have taken x1, y1, this point. X minus x1. What is x1 here? 4. What is y1 here? 5. Now, you cross multiplication. 5 into y minus 5 is equal to 2x minus 2 4s are 8. Like that, 5y multiply 5 with y minus 5. 5y minus 5 5s are 25 is equal to 2x minus 8. 2x minus 8 minus 5y plus 25 is equal to 0. And you will get the equation of the straight line which is passing through these 2 points will be 2x minus 5y plus 17 is equal to 0. You can check whether the slope of the line is equal or not. Slope of the line will be minus x quotient by y quotient. What is x quotient here? Minus 2 by, what is y quotient? Minus 5. You will get 2 by 5. Whether this, you can check whether the line passing through these 2 points or not. Substitute minus 1, 3 in that equation. You will get 0. You see, 2 into, what is the value of x there? Minus 1 minus 5 into, what is the value of y here? 3 plus 17. You must, I have taken LHS and you will get RHS. The value, what is the value of RHS? 0 you should get. Minus 2 minus 15 plus 17. Minus 17 plus 17, 0. As equation of the line which is passing through 4, 5 and minus 1, 3 will be 2x minus 5y plus 17 is equal to 0. And again you will get these problems in very short questions and short questions. Next I will go to distance between 2 points, that is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square.